Welcome back to our channel. Are you looking for the perfect Nikon camera in 2025? Whether you're a beginner, a professional, or a vlogger, Nikon has a camera for you. In today's video, we'll be diving into the top 5 best Nikon cameras of 2025. From entry-level gems to professional powerhouses, we've got them all lined up for you. So, make sure to stick around to find out which one is the best overall. And as always, you'll find links to each camera in the description below for the best deals. Make sure to give it a thumbs up, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you never miss out on our latest tech reviews. Let's get started. Kicking off our list at number 5, we have the Nikon Z50, the best beginner-friendly option for 2025. This camera is perfect for those stepping into the world of photography. The Z50 offers a 20.9 MP APS-C sensor, 4K UHD video capabilities, and a compact design that's easy to carry around. With its intuitive controls and sharp autofocus, it's designed to help you grow as a photographer while delivering stunning shots. The Nikon Z50 with wide-angle zoom lens is the perfect compact mirrorless camera for photography enthusiasts and content creators alike. This lightweight yet durable Nikon USA model features a versatile 16 to 50mm lens, making it an ideal choice for capturing stunning stills and high-quality video. As the first DX format mirrorless camera to utilize Nikon's large 55mm lens mount, the Z50 offers exceptional image quality, even in low light conditions. Equipped with a 20.9 MP sensor and advanced 4K UHD video capabilities, you can effortlessly capture crisp, detailed photos and videos every time. Designed for convenience, the camera comes with built-in Wi-Fi and Bluetooth, enabling quick pairing with your smartphone for seamless sharing and remote control. Its selfie flip-down touchscreen is perfect for self-portraits, vlogging, and live streaming, ensuring you never miss a moment. Plus, the Z50 is compatible with Nikon Z lenses and F-mount Nikon lenses when using the FTZ mount adapter, giving you flexibility and creative freedom with your shots. Whether you're a beginner or an experienced shooter, the Nikon Z50 delivers exceptional performance in a compact, portable design. If you're looking for a versatile, beginner-friendly camera that doesn't compromise on quality, the Nikon Z50 is a fantastic pick. Next up, at number 4, we have the Nikon ZF, the best retro-inspired camera for 2025. For all the vintage camera lovers out there, the ZF combines classic Nikon style with modern technology. It features a 24.5 MP full-frame sensor, excellent in-body image stabilization, and a tactile control layout reminiscent of Nikon's classic film cameras. With advanced subject recognition and 3D tracking, the ZF's autofocus system can track 9 different subjects, allowing you to capture sharp, focused images of moving objects with ease. Whether shooting stills or videos, the camera offers outstanding versatility. Record 4K video oversampled from 6K at 30p, up to 4K UHD/60p, and even create dramatic slow-motion footage at 1080/120p. It also supports internal 10-bit H.265 recording in SDR, N-Log, and HLG for ultimate video quality. For those who crave ultra-high resolution, the ZF's pixel shift shooting technology can produce stunning 96 MP stills, ensuring the highest level of detail with minimal noise. The 3.2-inch vari-angle touchscreen is designed for convenience, featuring the new Touch FN function, which allows you to move focus points, select subjects, and switch display modes while using the viewfinder. Combining classic Nikon design with cutting-edge features, the Nikon ZF is a powerful and stylish tool for photographers and videographers looking to elevate their craft. The Nikon ZF is a full-frame mirrorless camera that blends iconic styling with modern technology, making it an exceptional choice for both photography enthusiasts and professionals. Not only does it look cool, but the Nikon ZF also delivers top-notch image quality, making it a perfect blend of nostalgia and performance. Coming in at number 3 is the Nikon Z30, the best vlogging camera of 2025. For content creators and vloggers, the Z30 offers everything you need. Its compact size, flip-out screen, and 4K video recording make it a go-to camera for capturing high-quality footage on the move. This Nikon model comes with a versatile 16 to 50mm zoom lens, making it the perfect choice for capturing high-quality content effortlessly. Delivering pro-grade video quality, the Z30 captures crisp 4K resolution with eye-tracking autofocus for both people and pets, ensuring sharp and precise shots every time. The camera offers beautifully blurred backgrounds, outstanding low-light performance, and rock-steady image stabilization, making it ideal for both photography and video. The Z30 is equipped with essential features for vloggers, including a flip-out touchscreen monitor for selfies, a built-in stereo microphone with adjustable sensitivity, and a red rec light, so you always know when you're recording. With the smartphone app, you can control the camera remotely, adding convenience to your shooting process. For live streaming, the Z30 offers easy plug-and-play webcam functionality, providing smooth full HD 60p streaming via USB-C and 4K 30p streaming through HDMI. With constant power support over USB-C, you can stream and record continuously without interruption. Compatible with Nikon's entire line of Nikon Z lenses, the Z30 is a kit that grows with you. From fast primes to macro lenses, you'll have the flexibility to expand your creative capabilities over time. The Nikon Z30 is the perfect all-in-one solution for content creators. With easy connectivity options and a microphone input, the Nikon Z30 ensures that your videos not only look great, but sound great too. If you're ready to elevate your vlogging game, this one's for you. At number 2, we have the powerhouse Nikon Z9, the best professional camera of 2025. This camera is an absolute beast, designed for serious photographers and videographers. With a 45.7MP sensor, blazing fast 120 frames per second continuous shooting, and 8K video recording, the Z9 delivers unmatched speed and detail. This Nikon model is equipped with a powerful 45.7MP stacked CMOS sensor and the X7 image processing engine, delivering unmatched speed and image quality. With its advanced autofocus system, the Z9 utilizes deep learning technology to automatically detect and track a wide range of subjects, including people, pets, birds, and even vehicles such as cars, motorcycles, trains, and planes, all without needing to navigate through menus. Whether you're capturing fast-moving wildlife or high-speed action, the Z9 ensures you never miss a moment. Capable of shooting 45.7MP stills at 20 or 30 frames per second, and even up to 120 frames per second at 11MP with full autofocus and auto exposure, the Z9 offers unparalleled shooting speed with no viewfinder blackout. For videographers, it supports in-camera 8K/30p recording for over 2 hours and 4K 120p slow-motion video capture, giving you maximum flexibility for cinematic content. The Z9 also offers 10-bit 4K/30p recording from oversampled 8K footage, stored directly in camera as ProRes 422HQ or H.265 video for the highest quality results. With its new high-efficiency RAW file format, you can capture RAW files that are just 1/3 the size of uncompressed RAW while maintaining the same superior image quality and dynamic range. The Nikon Z9 is the ultimate tool for professionals, combining speed, power, and reliability in one groundbreaking package. Whether you're shooting sports, wildlife, or cinematic videos, the Z9 gives you all the tools to create stunning, professional-level content. It's the ultimate workhorse for the pros. And finally, at the top of our list, we have a Nikon Z6 II, the best overall camera for 2025. This camera strikes the perfect balance between performance, versatility, and price. With a 24.5MP full-frame sensor, dual processors for faster performance, and advanced autofocus, the Z6 II is a fantastic all-rounder. This Nikon model features a 24.5MP BSI sensor that excels in low light, offering exceptional clarity and detail. With a continuous shooting speed of 14 FPS, it's perfect for capturing fast action, while its 4K UHD video capabilities provide top-tier performance for professional content creators. Delivering full-frame quality with full pixel readout, the Z6 II records stunning 4K UHD video at 60p, making it an excellent choice for serious videographers. Its advanced autofocus system ensures quick and precise subject acquisition, while the 3.5x increased buffer capacity allows for longer continuous shooting. The Z6 II also offers improved AF functionality, ensuring you never miss a moment, even in fast-paced environments. With dual card slots, you get flexibility and peace of mind, making it perfect for critical shoots such as weddings and events. The camera is built for comfort and durability, designed to be intuitive and easy to handle during long sessions. For those in need of extra power, the Z6 II is compatible with Nikon's new vertical battery grip, providing easier shutter operation when shooting vertically. With USB-C constant power and charging, you can keep the camera running during live streams, video shoots, and time-lapse without worrying about battery life. Compatible with Nikon's expanding line of Nikkor Z lenses and approximately 360 f-mount Nikkor lenses, the Z6 II offers incredible versatility for all your creative needs. It excels in both photography and videography, offering 4K video recording, image stabilization, and exceptional low-light performance. Whether you're an enthusiast or a professional, the Nikon Z6 II is a camera you can rely on. So, there you have it, our top 5 best Nikon cameras of 2025. Which one is your favorite? Let us know in the comments below. And don't forget, links to all these amazing cameras are in the description, so be sure to check them out for the best deals. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you never miss out on our latest tech reviews. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next one.